It's time to test out some Sega Megadrive on the PAPK 2 portable system from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel! And in today's video we are going to do some extended testing on the PAPK 2 family portable system from China. Let's test out some Sega Megadrive. Alright, I hope you're ready for it. Lights out and... this sounds really promising. Of course I'm pressing the wrong button. Oh, there's the button. Love the soundtrack, by the way. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh. Oh man, this was by the way my first game on the Mega Drive. Actually together with Sonic, but I play this game so much. Und jetzt ist ein Super Macho! Oh verdammt, oh verdammt nochmal! I saw a little glitching over there, but even that sound is great. Don't mind if I'm doing a longer gameplay like the other videos, because I really love this game. Oh man, I see this one coming. I still didn't move. Oh, I am screwing it up. Alright, for the last game we're going to try out some Street of Rage. Which one is the super button? I have really no clue. This one? Ow! Okay, then I know what the super button is. Do the dance, do the Street of Rage hand. Yeah. Just use the power up. So for the final conclusion about the SEGA Megadrive on the PAPK 2 family portable system from China. I must say I'm pretty impressed. Yes, the games run fine, the music is, I will not say spot on, but it is good. So for the money we can't complain. So let me know what you think of this, really love to know. But thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.